Hello everyone, I am Mahfouz and I'm here to demonstrate my project that solves a real-world problem for Atcoder users. So now let us suppose you submit a solution and the solution goes wrong for various test cases. So to rectify the test cases, you revisit your approach and try to find where your approach went wrong. But after spending 2 to 3 hours, you are unable to find the problem that led to the wrong solution, and you just move on to the tutorial to see what the correct solution was. But this is not a good approach, as the programmer should know where its approach went wrong and rectify that instead of moving on to the tutorial. So for this, I have proposed a web app that finds the smallest failing test case for your problem. So for that, you need to enter the submission link and the problem number corresponding to it. So it was A, so we enter A and hit on run. So here the backend will query the Atcoder website for the user code using web scraping, and it will then ask the user for some more information, like if the first line of the input is the number of test cases, how many line of input each test case has, how many line of input each output has. So upon entering the detail, user just need to enter the C following test cases. So now the front end will send this information to the backend and asks for the failing test cases. So in the console log option, you can see that it has got some values like the input, the system output, and the user output. So from here, the user can compare where it went wrong. So as you can see that for this input, the system output was no, 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 yes, no, yes, yes, but the user output was no, no, yes, 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 and other things. So you can see that it failed for the fourth option. So no, it failed for the third option. The system output was no, but the user output was yes. So in this way, the user can dry run their code by using a pen paper and find out where they went wrong. So now let's move on to the tech stack that I used to create the project. So the tech stack for the front end part, I've used React.js, and for the backend, I've used Node.js for web scraping and running the codes. For now, the web app is not hosted, and the user need to run it locally to find the failing test cases. So that's all about test from my side. Thank you.